Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Netra Nopita SPD. Saya guru SMP Negeri 30 Kerinci, sekaligus sebagai mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2022 LPTK Universitas Jambi. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan mempresentasikan hasil kegiatan pembelajaran Percici. Kegiatan pembelajaran ini merupakan serangkaian rancangan pembelajaran yang meliputi RPP, media pembelajaran, bahan ajar, LKPD, dan instrumen penilaian. Selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Good morning, all the students.
Good morning,
ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Good, thank you. What about you?
All right, good. I'm well today. Have you taken a breakfast this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Not yet,
Good.
ma'am.
Not yet, Nuning. Why you didn't take breakfast this morning, Nuning? You forgot?
Nggak bisa makan nasi, ma'am, pagi-pagi.
Oh, nggak bisa makan nasi. Makan sarapan yang ringan-ringan aja biar belajarnya lebih nyaman dan you will focus and concentrate to your lesson today. Oke, Nuning, next sarapan ya.
Ya, ma'am, siap.
Okay, all the students, before we start today, let's we praying together. Please, Nur Hikmah, lead your friends to pray together. Please, Nur Hikmah, help me, please.
Okay. Before we study, let's pray. Amin.
Finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Thank you, Nur Hikmah. And then before I start to the material today, I want to take your absent. You say present if you or you say absent if your friend don't come today. Nuning Kumayarti.
Yes, mom.
Present. Farida Nuraini.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nurul Atia.
Then, mom.
All right. Nur Hikmah.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Nobody absent today, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to study?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to study for today, my student, my love student?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are to study today, I will give you a topic and then let me share screen to you all. Okay, welcome to my class. This is the 9th class, sorry. And we will start for English class today. All right. Before I start, I want to ask you questions. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Today is Monday, and then we'll come back to the school. Maybe yesterday you have a holiday on Sunday. What did you do yesterday, Nurul?
Yesterday, I go to the zoo, ma'am.
Pardon me?
I go to the zoo, ma'am.
You went to the zoo?
Yes.
You see something like many animals? Your favorite animals, Nurul?
My favorite is elephant, ma'am.
Elephant, good. And then, what about you, Farida? What did you do yesterday?
I didn't go anywhere, ma'am.
You just at home?
I just stay at home and laying on the bed.
Laying on the bed.
Piring ya, ma'am.
It means you spend your holiday or just take rest at home.
Yes. Yeah, mager, ma'am.
Okay. What about you, Nur Hikmah? What did you do yesterday? Today is Monday. You must have a new spirit today. What did you do yesterday, Nur Hikmah?
I just stay at home, ma'am. Help my mother clean the house, ma'am.
Wow, amazing. You help your mother. Good child. And then what about you, Nuning? What did you do yesterday?
I just stay at home, ma'am.
Just
I
stay at
have
home?
Yes, I help my mom menanam bunga, ma'am.
Okay. You have your man to you plant the flower in your garden, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my students. Before we start, I want to show you next slide. Welcome to English class, and I hope you have a new spirit for today. Because we will start. We will continue our material before. Kita akan melanjutkan materi sebelumnya yang sudah kita bahas pada hari Jumat kemarin, on Friday. Alright. On Friday, we have discussed about a procedure tag. We have discussed about the social function and then the language features and also the definition and the generic structure of the procedure tag. Do you still remember about the social function of procedure tags or many others about the generic structure? Anybody remember about it? Or maybe just a definition? Help me to remind about it. Come on, one of you, maybe.
Lupa, ma'am.
Yes, Farida. Come on.
Okay, procedure text is a text which describe how to do something, how to make something. Yes, just like this.
Yes, you did good. Many others? What is the social function? For what the procedure tag? Why we make a procedure tag? Maybe the others know. Nurul, what about you? For what?
Lupa, ma'am.
You forget. Maybe we know that procedure tag is to show.
Cara memasak gitu, dak, ma'am?
Yes, right. This tidak hanya cara memasak,
Ini
intinya adalah cara membuat sesuatu, maybe resep ataupun cara-cara hal lain yang ada di sekitar kita. Mungkin cara menghidupkan komputer, menghidupkan laptop dan lain sebagainya. Itu adalah tujuan dari procedure text. And then you also know the definition-nya adalah procedure text itu adalah teks yang menunjukkan cara-cara ataupun step melakukan sesuatu. You get it? Nur Hikmah?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you, Nuning? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, ma'am.
Good. Okay, next. I want to ask you something. Have you read a procedure text? Maybe after we discuss about the social function definition, sudahkah membaca sebuah procedure text maybe in Google or maybe ada majalah sekarang? Masih ada majalah? Kalau dulu masih ada majalah ya, mungkin resep-resep. Siapa yang pernah membaca procedure text? One of you, come on. Siapa yang pernah?
Saya, ma'am.
Yes. Nur Hikmah. What kind of procedure text?
Resepi, ma'am. Resep masakan.
Resepi ya. Where did you find? Di mana?
Menghidupkan handphone kata ma'am tadi.
Pardon me, Nurul?
Cara tutorial menghidupkan handphone atau masukkan SIM card, ya ma'am ya?
Yes, you good. Maksud saya bertanya di sini adalah pernahkah melihat bentuk prosedur teks itu? Misalnya melihatnya di internet itu cara membuat apa pernah ditemukan, pernah menemukan Nurul? Atau
pernah, ma'am, pernah lihat
pernah,
di internet, ma'am.
It's mean that you have experience about how the form of the procedure text. Berarti sudah punya pengalaman bagaimana bentuk dari prosedur teks itu sendiri. Seperti apa bentuknya, dan ini keterkaitannya nanti dengan mata pelajaran ataupun topik yang akan kita bahas pada hari ini. And then today we focus procedure text about receive ya, seperti yang sudah saya tampilkan ini. Hari ini kita fokus procedure text tentang resep, bukan manual ya atau cara-cara melakukan hal-hal yang ada di sekitar kita, tetapi kita fokus pada resep. Okay. I want to ask someone here. Farida, do you hear me?
Aida is in the toilet,
Farida
ma'am.
izin ke
Oke,
toilet,
izin ke
ma'am.
toilet. Adakah yang mengetahui cara membuat sebuah minuman?
Yes,
Teh ya,
ma'am.
ma'am. Teh
Saya,
bisa,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you explain in English?
Okay, I will try.
Okay, try.
Boil the water.
Okay, what the
Then-
title first? How to make what?
How to make a glass of tea.
Okay, good. Just simple, but you must try good English. Okay, come on, Nurul.
Okay, boil the water
Okay.
and then put the tea in the glass.
Okay.
1 spoon or 2 spoon of sugar.
Okay.
After the water is hot, we can pour it into the glass and
Mhm.
then mix until the tea is change the color, ma'am.
Okay, good example. Finish.
Finish. You
And
can
then
drink the tea.
And the tea is ready to drink, right?
Yes, ready to
Good.
drink.
For your father, maybe for your guest, maybe, right?
For myself.
Okay, good for yourself, of course. Okay, then I want to show you this one. Let's check it out. Look, I have asked you this question. Before I share this question, I have asked you, have you ever read a procedure tab before? You say to me that you ever read, maybe in internet, right? Or maybe in Google, and then maybe in your phone, or maybe in magazine. Okay, maybe, and then we have discussed about what kinds of procedural text. There are 2 kinds of procedural text. Ada 2 jenis teks prosedur. Yang pertama adalah resep, yang kedua adalah cara or manual. There are many like to how to switch on the computer or many others. And then, do you know how to step? And then Nurul answer very well my question. Okay, my students, we have discussed about this. Okay, I want to ask you, what picture is this? Anybody know?
Boba, ma'am.
Boba,
All
ma'am.
right.
Yes, I like it
My
very
favorite.
Your favorite drink?
Yes.
Good. I think many students like this drink because this is like yeah, minuman kekinian lah ya. Yeah, update drink today. Yes, this is a boba. Can you make it?
No, ma'am.
No?
Saya bisa
Oh,
ma'am. Baru beli sekarang, ma'am. Belum bisa.
Baik,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is
Buatnya, ma'am.
this is a kind of drink, and then this is so viral right now for the teenagers, I think. And then next, what about it? What do you think about it? Please,
Wow.
in English, yeah. What is this?
Strawberry juice.
All right, strawberry juice.
Strawberry juice.
Have
Strawberry
you
juice smoothie.
ever
Smoothies, ma'am.
Smoothies.
smoothies or strawberry juice?
I think it's
Strawberry, ma'am.
smoothies because the color is a little bit like a milky.
Ya, ada susunya
pink.
sepertinya, ma'am.
Okay, maybe any milk, yeah. Someone put there. Good, Farida. Or anybody ever maybe make these smoothies or
Not yet,
something like that?
ma'am.
I don't like milk,
Don't like
so
strawberry.
I
ma'am.
won't make it.
Ya.
Okay.
It is sour, ma'am.
Okay, maybe I just want to,
Soalnya-
what about just a fruit? Not not to be like a juice. Do you like it? A strawberry?
Yes, I love it.
You love
I
it?
love
Or
eating,
maybe,
yes. I like eating strawberries with sugar.
yeah.
Castle in with sugar and eat it.
Okay, this is a kind of beverage, yeah, or like a juice. Today, this is a smoothies from strawberry mixed milk. Okay, that's my first explanation to you about maybe you ever see in your daily life about this drink or beverage. Okay, my student, today we will discuss about healthy food and drink from procedure text. We will focus on food and drink, but healthy food and drink. Look, this is my favorite one. I like tomato juice. Okay, you can see, and also I have discussed to you before about the step or the language feature and generic structure of procedure text. Sebelumnya kita sudah membahas tentang generic structure, runtutan dari procedure text. Pertama adalah di sini, what is this? How to make tomato juice. This is
Goal.
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 Good, Farida. This is a goal. How to make tomato juice is a goal. Tujuannya ya. Or this is explain. Social functionnya apa ini?
To explain how to make.
Good.
How to
You
make.
just
Tomato
input.
sequence series.
Good. This is just input to explain how to make tomato juice. Can you see this?
Ingredient, ma'am.
What is
Yes.
in bahasa?
Bahan-bahan,
Bahan-bahan.
Alat dan bahan.
Yeah, I want Nurul explain what are the ingredients, how to make tomato juice. Please, Nurul, help me, please.
Oh, it
You can read. Just read.
two
how the-
tomatoes. Read ya,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, 2
Two
tomatoes.
tablespoon of sugar.
Can you explain in bahasa also tomatoes? Maybe your friends need to know.
2 tomat. Gitu
Okay,
ya, ma'am.
good. Yes, good.
Tambah 2 sendok gula.
Maybe you read first in English. After that you translate
Oh,
in
gitu.
Indonesia, and then
2
you
tablespoon of sugar. 2 sendok gula.
good.
Some ice. Beberapa es batu.
Yes.
Kemudian some milk. Tambahkan susu. A glass of water. Segelas air.
Yeah. Maybe some milk can be like optional. Yeah. Maybe sometime no anybody don't like milk. Like Farida said to me before that she doesn't like the milk. Okay, 2 tablespoon of sugar. This is the ingredients atau bahan ya. Okay, please Nur Hikmah help me to explain about the steps of how to make the tomato juice.
Yang pertama, ma'am, hard chop tomatoes, potong-potong tomat,
Good.
kemudian put into blender, masukkan ke dalam blender, pour 2 tablespoon sugar,
Yes.
masukkan, tuangkan 2 sendok gula,
Yes.
kemudian put a little bit of water,
Yes.
masukkan sedikit air secukupnya ya, ma'am.
Yes.
Kemudian turn on blender,
Mhm.
hidupkan blendernya.
Yeah.
Kemudian pour tomato juice to glass, tuangkan
Yeah.
jus tomat ke dalam gelas. Kemudian terakhir, your tomato juice is ready.
Alright, you did good, Nurul and Nur Hikmah. So I think this is a kind of healthy drink. Do you agree with me? This is a healthy drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
I want to
Sehat,
ask
ma'am.
you, Farida, what is the other kind? Did you know or do you know right now the healthy drink? Give me example the healthy drink, Farida, except tomato juice. Maybe you know, Farida?
Healthy drink. Like drink from like jamu, ma'am.
Jamu,
Yes,
right?
but I don't
Yes.
know jamu in English.
Jamu, there is no in English because jamu is a traditional language, yeah, Farida. We can change into English. Yeah, jamu is a traditional language like lontong. There is no in English like satay. Okay, so you just say jamu like that.
Oh, jadi
Okay.
tetap jamu ya, ma'am?
Yes, tetap jamu, no change to the others. What about you, Nuni? can you give me one example of healthy drink?
Milk, ma'am.
Milk, yes, this is a simple example, but you are right. This is milk is one of the healthy drink. Good. This is you know, from my sharing slide how to make tomato juice, ingredients, and then the step. Next slide. Okay, from the tomato juice, I want you to see I make the tomato juice, the step of tomato juice. Let me see to you. All right. I want to show you a mind mapping, how to make a procedure text yeah, well, or how to make the procedure text be better from the mind mapping. Look here, pay attention to my mind mapping here. Okay, you have see the how to make tomato juice, and then first is what? Ingredients or bahan. You know the bahan or ingredients. First is tomatoes. Next,
Sugar.
2 spoons of
Yeah.
sugar.
2
this is the
tablespoons
ingredients.
of sugar,
And
some
then what else?
ice
Some
cube,
ice or ice scoop, ya, let's say something
yeah.
like that. Ice scoop itu seperti apa? Yang sering juga dipakai kata-kata ice scoop itu batu es ya. And then some milk, and then
Glass of
glass of
water.
water. Ini adalah bentuk peta konsep ya, mind mapping. Jadi kita lebih mudah memahami dan juga membuatnya menjadi sebuah teks. Yang kedua adalah step, right? Atau langkah-langkah. Yang pertama, hard chop tomatoes. Apa tadi, Nur Hikmah? Hard chop tomatoes.
Potong-potong tomat, ma'am.
Iya. Put into blender, Nuning. Explain to me.
Bukan ke dalam blender, ma'am.
Alright. Pour 2 tablespoons sugar. Nurul, explain to me.
Tambahkan 2 sendok gula, ma'am.
Okay. Farida, put a little bit of water and ice. Explain to me, please.
Masukkan air dan es.
Alright. Next, Nur Hikmah. Explain to your friends, switch the blender and around.
Ya, hidupkan blender sekitar 2 menit, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Nuning. Explain this.
Tuangkan jus ke dalam gelas.
Alright. Next, Nurul.
Tuangkan
Kayu,
beberapa susu ke dalam jus. Tambahkan.
Alright. And the last, Farida.
Oke. Ya, jus tomatnya siap untuk diminum.
Segar ya. This is so fresh. Dan inilah dia mind mapping, peta konsep. Inilah tujuan kita hari ini, di mana nanti I hope you can make from the picture. First you make a mind mapping like this. Pertama adalah kalian bisa membuat mind mapping seperti ini, barulah dibuat menjadi sebuah prosedur teks yang baik. Okay? Can you understand? You get it? Or you have
Yes.
any question? Do you have any question?
Ma'am, buatnya di
Yes,
mana,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Kalau
Oke.
jus mangga gimana, ma'am?
Untuk kreasi masing-masing kalian untuk membuatnya adalah bisa di kertas karton ataupun di kertas manila. Nah, nanti hasil ini akan kita tempelkan di English Corner kita di dalam kelas. Kita kan sudah punya English Corner ya, seperti papan majalah dinding. Ini akan kita tempelkan, jadi buatlah sebaik mungkin agar ini nanti menjadi terpampang setiap hari akan dilihat oleh guru-guru yang lain, guru mata pelajaran lain, dan teman-teman dari kelas lain. So, make more creative that you can in your group, ya, karena nanti kita akan membagikan grup. Nurul, your question, how to make mango juice. So, this is your job. This is your task. You must, you search with your friend, maybe in Google, or maybe you can ask someone, your parents, or maybe your other teacher, how to make the mango juice. Okay, Nurul? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody have question?
Oh, bagannya nggak boleh sekreatif kita kan, Mom?
Bagaimana, Nuning?
Bagan mind mappingnya itu nggak harus
bentuknya, Mem.
bentuknya,
Iya.
Mem.
Iya,
Nggak,
itu
nggak
kreasinya masing-masing. Ini kan saya kan memberi contoh ya seperti ini. Boleh dibuat gaya yang seperti kotak-kotak, boleh dibuat bercabang-cabang yang lain. Ini tidak harus mencontoh seperti yang ditampilkan di sini. Oke, Nuning?
Baik, Mem.
You are free
You.
to be creative. Oke, Nuning?
Mem, harus minuman ya, boleh makanan nggak?
Oke, let me share to you, oke, Farida. Tadi kita sudah menyelesaikan tentang makanan. Oke, wait. Wait a moment. Ini contoh tadi. Oke, kita sebentar lagi akan memulai untuk membuat mind mapping dan juga menjadi prosedur teks yang baik. Oke, before kita memulainya, sebelum kita mulai untuk membuat share screen-nya kelihatan ya? Belum ya?
Belum, Mem.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yep, Mem.
Oke.
Lagi loading, Ma'am.
Sebelum kita memulai untuk mengerjakan worksheet ini, saya akan membagikan kelompok menjadi 2 kelompok. Di sini saya sudah menentukan kelompoknya di mana Farida dengan Nur Hikmah dan Nuning dengan Nurul. Oke? You will work in a group.
Oke,
Karena
Mem.
ini kita akan belajar bagaimana cara berkolaborasi dengan teman-teman in your group. Oke. Sebelum kita memulai untuk membahas tentang bagaimana cara membuat atau apa jenis makanan yang dibuat, look the student worksheet ini dulu ya. Sorry. Okay, are you ready to make a worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Oke, sebelum kita membuat mind mapping untuk lebih mengingat kita pada pemahaman pembelajaran sebelumnya, seperti yang sudah dijelaskan, sekarang dalam grup, in your group, you make and then you send to me in by your WA in WA group. You make this. What is the social function of this recipe? Do you see what is this? How to make
Orange juice. ma'am.
Orange
Yes,
juice,
how
ma'am.
to make orange juice. Okay, first you have to know what is the social function, and then what is the generic structure, and the last one is language features. Okay, you see, you make here, and then I have sent in our group, yeah, and you write here what the social function, generic structure, and language feature. I am waiting you now about 10 minutes to write here the social function, generic structure, and language feature. You start in your group and then you send to me in our group WA, WhatsApp, okay? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I am waiting
Sudah
for you,
paham,
ya.
ma'am. Ya.
Waiting for a minute. Okay, let's start. Make this worksheet before we start to make mind mapping and make a good procedure text. Let's start. Okay, you have finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Okay, send to my send to WA group ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Group 1, Farida and Nur Hikmah, you have sent to the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will check later. And then what about you? Group 2, Nurul and Nuning, have you sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. I think you have no. Okay, if you have sent, and then we next to the worksheet 2, yeah? Worksheet 2. Look, okay, this is your project. Okay, first is you must choose. There are some food and drink, healthy food and drink here. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see this one. Anybody know this one before we start? What is this?
Sop buah tak, ma'am?
Can you make a good
Fruit
English?
soup.
Nurul? Maybe can you make a good English, Farida, Nurul, Hikmah, or Nurul and Nuning?
Fruit soup, ma'am.
Soup.
Yeah, let's say something like that. Yeah, fruit soup. What about this one?
With conditional.
The second one.
Mango juice. Mango
Mango
juice.
juice.
Mango
Good,
juice.
Farida. The third one. Come on.
Salad.
Salad.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. No salad. Yeah, this is chicken. Okay.
Oh,
Soup.
Do you see this is celery, potato, carrot, and then
oh,
the,
yes.
what is this is chicken, right? And the fourth one,
Tea.
Lemon tea. Lemon tea.
Lemon
this is
tea.
tea or lemon tea. Come on,
Tea, ma'am.
A
Lemon
glass
tea.
of tea,
lemon
ma'am.
tea, my student. This is not just tea.
Because there is a slice of lemon.
Good, Farida, because you see the slice of lemon, and then also this is not just a garnish, yeah, but also the lemon put into the tea, yeah. Okay, the last one, I have some food from fish, so you can choose one of them. So there are some food and some healthy food and drink here. First is look, choose one picture, then you know what? Choose one picture. Pilih salah satu.
Gambar.
Okay, translate for me, Nuning. Then
Pilihlah salah satu gambar, kemudian desainlah cara-cara sesuai dengan mind mapping. Setelah itu, buatlah sebuah prosedur yang baik dengan menggunakan mind mapping.
ya, sudah paham semuanya?
Yes,
Paham,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Pertama, dari gambar ini dibuat dulu dalam draft atau dalam desainnya di mind mapping seperti yang saya contohkan tadi. Kemudian dari mind mapping itu baru akan terbentuk sebuah prosedur teks yang baik. Okay, now for this project, I give you time about 30 minutes to make a good procedure check with your friends or with your group. Maybe is it a good time? 30 minutes or 40 minutes you need, my students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Did you hear me? Is it a good time? About 40 minutes. You make a mind mapping. You just choose one of this picture. Hanya memilih
Yes, ma'am.
satu. Nah, hanya memilih satu buat mind mappingnya sekreatif mungkin. Kemudian dari mind mapping dikembangkan menjadi sebuah prosedur teks. You tidak perlu membuat dalam kertas yang besar, boleh bentuk kertas yang kecil karena nanti akan ditempelkan di English Corner yang kita punya di kelas saat ini. Kemudian nanti hasilnya juga akan kita foto dan kita upload di media sosial kita masing-masing. Do you get it?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see, ma'am.
Or maybe you have question before we start. Come on. Maybe someone confused or what? Do you have question? Come on.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. If no question, I think you have understand what I want, what I said before. And then I hope you can make this for until time is over ya. Sampai waktunya habis nanti. Kita lanjutkan dengan pekerjaannya. Oke, silakan mengerjakan tugas ini. Nanti kita akan lanjutkan lagi dengan penutupan pelajarannya. Oke. Okay, my student, you have finished this project. For your group, you have collect your assignment, your project, and then I will give the value of this project after this. And then I hope you understand what this project about, and then you have understand how to make the good procedure tag by mind mapping and make it a good procedure tag before from mind mapping design. Okay, and then if you have no question, thank you for your listening today. And I think you don't have any question. Sorry. And then thank you for very much for your coming today in my class. And then when we will have another class again, what day? What day we have another class again?
On Thursday, ma'am.
On Thursday, okay. Thank you, and then see you on Thursday for the new class. See you next time. I can stop share now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, yeah. You have
Thank
a
you,
good
ma'am.
job today to make a good project in your group.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then
Thank you,
I hope
ma'am.
you have, this is clear enough. You have know how to make a good procedure tag, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. See you, my students.
See you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Demikianlah hasil presentasi video per teaching dalam rangkaian kegiatan PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2022 LPTK Universitas Jambi. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.